Okay, so this is week 2 for R&R. No, we already did 2 and 3.
3.
This is week 4.
4.
This is week 4. Week 4. Ooh. So this is week 4 for R&R, and we had a pretty busy week actually. So the first day we
brought the trailer with the tractor.
Brought the tractor over. That was a lot of fun.
Yes.
Almost stuck it in the ditch until we figured out how to take the lawnmower attachment off. Probably should have done that sooner. But now we know how to do that.
You got it. Great things though, hey?
Yeah, parked that on site. That was Monday. So we brought the trailer over with the tractor, unloaded it, did a little work. And then Tuesday
we went over to the old other house.
Oh yeah. So we found a
jungle.
Yeah, we found a foreclosed house, so we're looking for our second house. And it was over about a mile from here. We took a look at it, and it was completely overgrown. What was your favorite part about that?
The boat that smelled worse than anything else I've ever met.
Yeah, the boat was covered in a whole bunch of
green, whatever there was there.
I think there were diapers. There was a whole bunch of diapers. Oh, and there was a dude parking out there, right? Camping out.
Yeah. I don't know what he was doing.
There was a 3-point. Is that 3-point or 6 point?
He's going, I don't know what side he's going.
It's a buck.
2-point fork.
2-point fork. That's what he says. I think it was a 3.
I thought it was a 2.
Anyway, so there was a 2-point buck there bedded down. That was kind of cool. Anyway, the house was really cool, so we went to put an offer on it. It was complete jungle, like he was saying. But it was kind of funny. They listed it the same day we went and looked at it, and then we went to put an offer on, and it was already sold. It had been an auction that had listed before they even listed it online, so we missed out.
Well, I couldn't even find the front door, so
that was cool.
I didn't know where we were going.
And then that was Tuesday. Wednesday, we came back here, and we started doing the concrete cutting and setting the base over there, or not setting the base, just busting up the concrete. So first thing I want to show you is obviously Mutual Materials dropped off some rock for us. Some stone, some pretty cool stuff actually. It's actually what I was hoping for. Notice how Mr. Amos placed them around here. Why do you think that was important?
He didn't place them in the way, so we can actually place them.
Exactly, and that's typically what happens. You get one shot when they drop off the material, so we wanted them off the side, but close enough would still be useful. And then Thursday,
what did we do?
Oh, Thursday was the inspection. So we finally got our asbestos inspection. So they came out and...
There's the Band-Aid.
Yep, there's the Band-Aid. They drilled some holes all around in the house. I think quite a few of them, wherever the places we were going to work in there, and they're checking for asbestos. We already had a lead inspection, and there wasn't any lead, thankfully. So, really nice lady.
My name is Jen. I'm with EnviroTest, and we do asbestos testing. Asbestos is a natural, it's made up of 6 minerals that are naturally occurring. It's like popcorn ceilings, textures, muds that they put over drywall or maybe around pipes.
They came out, and they came out really quick, did it very professionally, and they said you got 2 or 3 days, and then we should hear back.
They can go in the house?
Yeah, if there's no asbestos. And then today we are setting rock, setting the retaining wall, and it's actually going pretty quick. So
we have to do all that today.
right, so that's the end of week 4. And excited about week 5. It's gonna be fun watching the dirt get backfilled behind here. That's it.
That's it.
You got
I'm done. I'm good.